Hello, in this video I will show you how to cancel an order from Noise website. Now it's an extremely easy process. So for doing that, first what you have to do is just simply open your browser, then just simply open Noise. Now go to the official link of the Noise website over here. After that, just simply log into your own profile. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Then click on this profile option right over here. Now once you will do that, you will find your recent order or whatever order you have placed. If you're unable to see that, just simply go to your orders and then you should be able to see that. Now, to cancel an order, what you do is just simply scroll down and click on show details. Now over here you will have the option of shipping details and you will have the product value, discount and everything related to product and the address where the product is going to be delivered. And if you look down below that over here, you will have an option of cancel order. Now, the only time that you will get the cancel order option right over here is when the order is placed or it is packed or if it is in transit. Now, if it is out for delivery, you will not be able to cancel the order. But if it is in any one of the three positions over here, you will be able to cancel the order. So, just simply click on cancel order, choose any one of the options right over here, then enter something right over here, and then click on cancel order. Now wait for a few seconds and just like that your order has been cancelled, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.